That's electrum steel, great at conducting electricity, but dangerous.
How much?
You sure? You'll get electrocuted. Right, okay then. You can pay 5,000 gold, 500 platinum, or 50 rhodium, please. Pleasure doing business with you, miss.
Iris.
Sir, we are ready to move. Currently no god creatures or demigods in this region.
Hold your horses. I think I've just spotted our newest target.
Really? What type? God creature or demigod?
If I'm right, and I am, I've just spotted us a Thunderbird.
Are you sure, sir? Were there any distinguishable markings?
No, but they were able to hold an electrum sword without being fried like an egg. And in my very professional opinion, that either means they're a Thunderbird or incredibly powerful. Either way, they're mine. Well, look at you, wielding an electrum sword without a care in the world. And is that a feather I spot?
Do I know you?
No, but it doesn't really matter.
What do you want with me?
That's for me to know and for you to find out. Are you going to be good and come with me quietly? Or do I have to make sure you don't remember the journey back to HQ? I knew it. A Thunderbird.
Sir, it got away? That hasn't happened since, well, ever.
Don't you think I've realized that? No creature I've ever gone after has ever gotten away from me that easily. But then again, we've never had to deal with a Thunderbird before. Looks like we're in for a chase. Gather the others. We're following her.
Should we not inform the higher-ups?
Did you not hear me before? She's mine.